this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Revolut to Shopify. So what you want to do is first you need to install the Shopify payment app. If you change the store name in Shopify, you need to reinstall the app. So basically there are two apps available. So you have Revolut Pay app and only Revolut Pay. It gives your customers a fast and easy way to check out the Revolut account or credit cards. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and this is the installation process. Now you visit either this page or this page in Shopify App Store, and then click on Add App. So if we go to the first link, it will take us to Revolut Pay. You need to log in to install, so just log in and click on Install. From there, these are the steps to install it. Once you have installed it, they will ask you to authorize and log in to your existing Revolut account. To do that, just follow the on-screen instructions, then select what apps you want to use or not to use. What cards. And that's pretty much it. That's how you install it. It's pretty simple. So go to the App Store, type in Revolut Pay, and just follow on-screen instructions, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you want to get Shopify, click the link in the description.